it's Ian, and today we have an item that's gonna kickstart a fun new hobby. Let me welcome you to the adventurous world of metal detecting. Now what you're gonna love is that this has a lot of advanced features you'd find on expensive metal detectors, but packaged into an easy to use, beginner-friendly interface. You'll get an audio tone every time you pass over some metal. Then you can refer to the LCD screen to show what kind of metal may be buried and how deep it is. Now trust me, you're gonna have fun no matter what you find. But if you happen to be looking for that lost ring in the backyard, you can set up the metal detector to include or exclude certain materials. Now my favorite thing about this metal detector is the waterproof coil, which means I could take this to more secluded places, like shallow riverbanks, streams, and even the beach shoreline. Now one of the things that sets this apart from other metal detectors is that it's lightweight and adjustable, which means you could take this just about anywhere, and you could set the height accordingly for shorter people and even kids. Now this is powered by two AA batteries, and best of all, your first set comes included, so you can use this straight out of the box. Now I can't stress to you how fun metal detecting is. Plus, it's a healthy way for you and the family to spend some time outdoors. And you'll never know what kind of neat and interesting items you'll come across. In fact, we found this really old coin from the 1800s after just an hour of searching. Now we have an absolutely incredible deal that you're not gonna wanna miss out on. But I do wanna warn you that stock is limited. So head on over to the site and grab yours today before they're all sold out.